Hi everyone, this is Jesse with Keyboarding Online. In this video, I am going to walk you through our new and improved online store for students. When you are on our webpage, the easiest thing to do to get to our student retail store is hover over Order Now, select Student Retail, select it, and then it will take you to our retail store. To purchase an access code for either Keyboard Mastery, Keyboard Short Course, Skill Building Mastery, or 10 Key Mastery, we're going to select Keyboarding Online access code and add it to our cart. This code will work on any of our programs, but if you're taking more than one course, you will need to purchase more than one access code. Alright, so now that we have added the access code to the cart, we can proceed to checkout. If you are a returning customer and you have already purchased in our online store, you can go ahead and click here to log in. This login is typically different than the login that you use to log into your student account. But if you are a new customer, you'll need to fill out your billing information. Since we are getting just the access code, you don't need to enter any shipping address information in. And you can see here that after we have paid for the order, we see that we are taken to the order received screen. It has our order number, the date, our email, and the total on it. But if you also scroll down a bit, your access code will be provided on the screen for you. Otherwise, you can wait for the email to be sent to you that contains your access code. That just about does it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can send us an email at support@keyboardingonline.com. Thank you, and happy typing.